On day 3 of CES, we wandered through the Sands Conference Center and wandered back through the halls to see if we missed anything. The first booth I found interesting on day 3 was the Nanoleaf booth. They had a new square tile to show off which they call the Nanoleaf canvas. Nanoleaf canvas tiles do everything the original Nanoleafs did, however they can also react to touch and sound natively. The demos they had at the booth were pretty cool. The next booth we went to was the Foldimate booth. I absolutely cannot wait for this thing to be released because I absolutely can't stand to fold. I hate folding. So when this thing comes out, I will be getting it for sure. Next, we saw a portable home ultrasound, which seems like a good and a bad idea to me. It seems nice if you know how to read an ultrasound, but if you don't, I could see a lot of patients with this device calling their doctors with false alarms. Hopefully it is more meant for home doctors and nurses rather than for everyday people to use. Then we found Selfie Drones, which to me are cool technically speaking, but are made for a weird purpose. I'm just not that into taking pictures of myself, but to each their own. At the next booth, my brother found a scooter he really liked because it drifted, but it was hard to demonstrate in this crowded conference room space. Then we found a stacking robot that was really sweet. It just zipped around, stocking shelves. It made me think I would hate to work in retail over the next 5 years if I'm a stocking person, because this thing was so freaking efficient. We then ran into another robot that we somehow missed on day 1, which was the Omron's ping pong robot. We saw it last year, but this year I swear it got a lot better. Finally, we found the MSI and Thermaltake booths where we found the MSI Dragon and the new RTX 2060s, as well as a ton of epic gaming builds. Hope you guys enjoyed my coverage of CES. This is Zach with Next Tech. See ya!